Hello wonderful people, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you my soft and fluffy no knead bread recipe. I know you are going to like this one. So without talking much, let's get right into it. I'm going to proof my yeast by adding sugar, active yeast and lukewarm water. I'll mix this very well and leave it for 5 minutes. If you are using instant yeast, then there's no need to go through this process. You can just go ahead and add all your other ingredients. Our yeast has proofed nicely. I'll be adding vanilla extract, some sugar, and also salt to taste. I'll also crack in a room temperature egg. Give this a good mix until it's well combined. I'll leave all the ingredients in the description. After that, I'll add my flour. This is a mixture of hard and soft flour to mimic all-purpose flour. You can use all-purpose flour for this, you can use bread flour for this, and it works perfectly. Just make sure you balance your water content just as you have seen on the screen. So mix it with your spoon until it comes out the way you are seeing it on the screen. A bit sticky, but don't panic. Just add your margarine and continue mixing. You can also use butter if that's what you have. So with this recipe, there is no kneading, it's only mixing. So once it is well mixed, we'll go ahead and then cover it to rise for about an hour or less, depending on how warm where you are is. We just want it to double in size. So if you are new here, hello, my name is Vicky in the kitchen. I'm so glad to have you here. If you've not already subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for doing that. This is the first rise, and I'm just going to use my spoon to deflate it and then make sure that all the air comes out. Mix it for about 5 seconds and cover it again for it to rise until it doubles in size. We are back and it has doubled in size beautifully. I'm just going to deflate it and then flour my work surface so that we can begin working on the dough. I'll knead the dough into a rough rectangle, let me see, and then I'll roll it into a log nicely. You can flour the dough if it is too sticky, okay? So if you are a returning subscriber, I just want to appreciate you. Thank you so much for supporting your girl. After that, I've dusted off the flour beautifully and I'm putting the bread into my baking tin that has been greased with margarine. Grease it generously so that it doesn't stick into the pan once it's done baking. You are going to cover this and let it rise until it doubles in size. This should take 40 minutes to an hour, and then you are going to crack 1 room temperature egg and use it as your egg wash. You can omit this if you do not want it. It's just to make sure that the crust comes out nice and golden brown. Your oven should be preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit at this time. Once you are done, you go ahead and bake this for about 20 to 30 minutes. And voila, your bread is ready. So you want to apply some margarine or butter on it just to make sure that the crust remains nice and soft. So once it's done, you want to take it out of the baking tin and then let it cool down completely. This was very easy to make, and I want to show you what it looks like on the inside. Very soft and fluffy as well. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe, and I'll be glad to read all your nice comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and if you are new and you haven't subscribed already, my darling, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and join our growing family. Thank you so much for doing that. So until I post my next video, remember God loves you. Bye.